Hello everyone, I'm Sin. She's my friend Bhavya and she's my friend Srija. We are currently pursuing our degree through Smart Education College. Our college is not only an educational institution, it is a place which builds future leaders. Now, let's enter into campus. I am glad to introduce founder of Sri Sivani Group of Institution, Sri S.P. Sampati Sir.
मुक्तिसाधकं कलाधरावतं सकलं जिलासिलोकरम् अनायकं जिनाशिदेवदैत्यकं नदासुतं नमामि तं विनायकम् नमामि तं विनायकबालं महादैत्यकालं नमो नीलकाय दुरारभाय सफलमार सहायं
We are currently pursuing our degree from Sri Smart Education College. Our college is not only an educational institution, it is a place which builds future leaders. Now, let's
Sudhamurthi's 3000 Stitches, which is a very long big book which I was been searching in the net to what should I be gifting her. So I found this book and I give it on behalf of all of us. Thank you very much. To the student, and before that, because Sir has been told that he has been doing so much philanthropic activities on behalf of the institute. So actually this is folding. I don't think so it's going to be a problem, but he's a very good coaching and mentoring part. That part to see. So I'm going to give this Harvard book to him on behalf of Harvard.
Okay.
Okay, thank you very much. I'm really happy to welcome you.
This is the second floor of our campus. Our college allocated BCom first year students in this classroom. Our classrooms are well organized with infrastructure and fun rooms. Now let's have a look. This is the third floor of our campus. In this floor, our college allotted second year classrooms, and these classrooms are well organized and have great infrastructure with the smart boards. Now, let's get into the second floor classrooms. Now, let's go to the fourth floor. This is the fourth floor in our campus. In this floor, our college has allotted the final year student classroom. In this floor, classrooms are well organized and had good infrastructure with smart boards and labs. Next, we'll meet HOD of our Commerce Department, Mr. Sharad sir, to share his opinion on Commerce Day. Let's go.
Hi everyone, this is P. Martin Sharad, Head of the Department of Commerce. I would like to tell about Commerce Day. Commerce Day is nothing but the day which we are going to celebrate every year of August 1st Monday. What do you mean by commerce? Commerce is nothing but we teach the students to enhance what is commerce means. That how to be in the representation of commerce. Commerce tells us about buying and selling. It is only a part of study. But it also tells everyone how to live in the society and how to enrich the society. Thank you.
Now let's meet our faculty members to share a few words about the commerce. Let's go.
Good morning. Today I feel it's my privilege to wish all the tradesmen a very happy Commerce Day. I feel it's a time to really appreciate because they are shaping our dreams with their vision and innovation. And once again, a very happy Commerce Day to entire SSDC Commerce Department and the students so that their life is filled with good opportunities and prosperity. Signing off, Anjali.
Happy Commerce Day to all. Like SSVC is celebrating Commerce Day to bring the awareness among the students regarding trade and commerce. The importance of Commerce Day will be explored on this day. So happy Commerce Day to all.
Morning one and all. I wish you a happy Commerce Day to each and every commerce students. As we know that commerce is the exchange of goods and services from the place of production to the ultimate consumer. But commerce teaches us the value of money. It teaches us art of management and what are the ethics we need to follow in the business to frame a future leaders. Thank you.
Good morning to everyone. First of all, a happy Commerce Day to everyone. And where today, as a Commerce Day, we need to remember the people of commerce, entrepreneurs, and the history of commerce and evaluation of commerce. And I'm very much eager how the celebrations of Commerce Day is there in our college. Let's wait. And thank you.
Greetings of the day. I am R. Nagaraju, Assistant Professor at SSDC. We are going to celebrate Commerce Day. Countdown has been started for this. And olden days, people used to think that whoever the boys are not performing well, we have to throw them into the commerce stream. But nowadays, it is not like that. So commerce is also a passionate profession and it is useful very much in everywhere. Finance is very important. Marketing, everything is important. So in this Commerce Day, we are going to encourage the students to learn new things. Those will be useful in their future lives, etc. And I wish all the best to all the students and thank you for giving me this opportunity.
Greetings to everyone. Myself P. Prakash, Associate Professor, Commerce Department, Vishwanath College. So today we are going to celebrate the Commerce Day in our college. Because the reason is the purpose to conduct the Commerce Day to give the awareness of the importance of commerce to the students. We are celebrating the Commerce Day today. Usually, the Commerce Day will celebrate every year, first Monday of August month, we will celebrate. So every commerce student has to know the importance of commerce. That is the reason we are conducting the Commerce Day.
K. Prakash, Department of Commerce, Shivashivani Degree College. So we are celebrating Commerce Day. Right, commerce is the backbone of the economy. Right, our entire economy will be depends on our commerce only. So by the increasing of the commerce, the two leaders are very important. So one is our former Prime Minister P.V. Narasimha Rao and Finance Minister Dr. Manmohan Singh. These two leaders, they introduced the LPG scheme in new industrial policy. After new industrial policy only, our trade or commerce will open to the world. Thank you.
Hello everyone. I wish you a happy Commerce Day to my Commerce Department and to all my dear commerce friends. Commerce is not just like buying and selling. It is a understanding of the world, how business works, how money moves, how the policies shapes the economy of a nation. Even from a small scale industries to the large scale industries and throughout the global corporations. Let us use this occasion, the Commerce Day, not only to celebrate, even of being a responsible and ethical, fair values to build our economy. Especially myself, on this Commerce Day, I am pledging myself that the commerce is not in just in the books, it will be in our ideas, ethics, morals, and our actions. Thank you. Once again,
Happy Commerce Day. My opinion regarding commerce is not just exchange of goods and services, it is exchange of culture. Thank you.
A very good afternoon to one and all. This is C. Kalyani, Assistant Professor at Shivashivani Degree College, Autonomous. First of all, I would like to wish you all Happy Commerce Day. We celebrate Commerce Day to honor the commerce. Commerce is the linchpin of the modern economy. It facilitates the exchange of goods and services. Commerce plays a very important role in shaping the socio-economic landscape. Through commerce, we can innovate many things and we create employment opportunities and whatnot. Yes, I'm feeling very proud to be a part of Department of Commerce.
Guys, it's my pleasure to introduce myself to you. I'm G. Dhanalakshmi, Associate Professor, Department of Commerce, Shivashivani Degree College. What according to me is commerce. Commerce, converse, suppers. Once you know the meaning of trading with business language, you will definitely going to converse yourself. Once you converse, life is amazing. Once it is amazing, you get to know its scope and make it more, splendid. And it is like you are submerged into
Greetings
it.
of the day. Today we are celebrating the Commerce Day. Commerce is the art of science, trade, finance and business. This day honors the role of commerce in building careers, shaping entrepreneurs, fueling innovation and contributing the national and global growth.